Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another haul, so let's get in and let's get into the haul. Alright guys, welcome back. So yes, we have another Bath & Body haul, but first things first, I wanted to formally announce, if you haven't heard, I recently started a new YouTube channel that only focuses on book reviews. Kind of didn't want to mix up the skincare, bath and body stuff that I do here on my regular channel, so that is strictly books. So if you like listening to audiobooks or just reading books in general, definitely go check out my channel. It's going to be called Lynette Loves Books. So definitely go check that out. If you haven't already, if you've subscribed, thank you, because the first video will be up shortly for you guys to check that out. All right, so anyway, let's get back to Bath & Body, right? Okay, so the first things first. This is actually a little bit delayed as far as when I'm sharing this one with you. I just had a lot of stuff happening, but I wanted to share this review. I've had it packed up. My husband's been waiting for this one to get unpacked so he can start seeing if this one works. Now, this was a recent sale that Bath & Body had where you were getting a free wallflower with a purchase. Hold on, and you guys will see because I can't think about what it's called. Hold on. Probably on here. This was the okay, this was the controlled wallflower. Can't even think of the name of it. This was a controlled wallflower where you got this for free with another purchase. I actually was able to order it twice, so this will be the one haul, but I ordered some other things alongside with it just because I needed them in my life. Not that we ever need more stuff, but I just needed them. So I ordered Laundry Day just to see how Laundry Day smells. Well, no, that came with it, but I was curious as to see how Laundry Day smelled. I haven't ordered any candles or any wallflowers that smell like linen at all. So I'm kind of curious as to what this one smells like. Now, on Laundry Day, if you're not too sure, it says fresh air. It smells like fresh air, clean eucalyptus, and soft lavender. So we'll see. Maybe I'll put that in my bedroom to see if that one is good. And then I used my rewards and I actually got a scrub. So this was Sea Salt Therapy is what that one is. And then let me see if it gives you, it says sea salt and aloe, sea salt body scrub. Let me see if it does. No, it doesn't give you like any fragrance notes or anything like that. So let me see if it is open. I don't think these are open. Yeah, these are not really open, but you can kind of smell it, what it smells like. It does smell like oceany, I guess you can say. It does smell fresh, basically. That one does smell fresh. Yeah, it doesn't really say anything. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. It just says it fragrance with natural essential oils. Yeah, no, it doesn't really say anything, but I've been looking for scrubs for a while. So right now I'm actually using one of the aromatherapy lines. I forgot what it's called, but I wanted to see what the new one had because mine is almost, it's almost done. So I wanted to see what that one smelled like. And of course, most of my purchases from Bath & Body are always going to be a candle. So I wanted to get this one. So I got Ice Blueberry Biscotti. We actually have the Biscotti hand soap that I got from the semi-annual sale. So I wanted to see what this one was about. I love the color of the blue. Love that the top is blue. And then inside smells like a dream. I wish they would have made that light blue or something like that. But the fresh notes for this one are sugared blueberries, sweet vanilla icing, almond biscotti, and brown sugar. So if you love fruity scents, this is probably going to be really, really good. It smells good on cold. So yeah, that was everything that came in my box. So what has been your favorite candle so far? That one smells really good. I know I have coffee that I have to review. I have a bunch of fruity candles that I have to review. So those are going to be coming up shortly. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. We will also see you on that books channel. But with that being said, you guys enjoy your day and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.